Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Etsy to Payoneer. If you want to use your Payoneer card on Etsy, one simple method is to connect it during the checkout process when purchasing a product. This allows you to add your Payoneer card as a payment method and use it for transactions on Etsy. Many buyers and sellers prefer using Payoneer because it allows them to receive funds globally and withdraw them to their local bank account or use a Payoneer card. First, open your browser and go to the Etsy website. Sign into your account. Once logged in, you'll land on the Etsy homepage where you can browse products from different sellers around the world. To add a payment method through checkout, you first need to start a purchase. Use the search bar to find a product you want to buy. It could be something inexpensive, since the goal here is mainly to add your Payoneer card during checkout. Click on the product listing and review the item details. Once you're done, click on Buy It Now. This opens the checkout page, where you'll enter shipping information and payment details. This step is where you can connect your Payoneer card. If Etsy asks for a shipping address, fill in your details such as full name, address, city, country, postal code. Once the shipping information is complete, move to the payment section. In the payment section, choose the option Add a Card. Now enter the details from your card issued by Payoneer. You'll need to input card number, expiration date, security code CVV, cardholder name. After entering the information, Etsy will recognize the card as your payment method. Many times during checkout, Etsy will give you the option to save your card for future purchases. Make sure this option is selected. Saving the card means you won't need to enter the details again the next time you shop. This effectively connects your Payoneer card to your Etsy account for future payments. By purchasing a product and entering your Payoneer card details during checkout, you can easily add it as a payment method and use it for future transactions. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.